Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best replacement heads is probably one of the most underrated beauty tools out there. If you're tired of dull, ineffective hair removal, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Flawless Replacement Heads Gen 2, exploring its features, performance, and whether it lives up to the hype. Get ready to discover if this is the upgrade your grooming routine has been waiting for, and if it's worth the investment for a smoother, more confident you. Number 5. TUOKIY Gen 2 Replacement Heads. These replacement heads are designed for both Gen 1 and Gen 2 devices. Make sure to check your device model before you buy it to ensure a perfect fit. This ensures the best performance. This replacement head is specifically made for the Flawless Generation 2 of painless hair removers. It is designed to work seamlessly with your device. This ensures a smooth and effective hair removal experience. These replacement heads are just like the original blades. Small and discreet, it removes your facial hair smoothly. It is recommended to replace them every 3 to 6 months for the best results. The Gen 2 blades are easy to change and wash. You can also use the included brush to clean the epilator. This makes maintenance simple and convenient. Each package comes with 4 hypoallergenic facial hair remover replacement heads and 1 cleaning brush. This provides everything you need to keep your device working at its best. It's a great value for maintaining your hair removal routine. What we like. This replacement head is designed to work with both Gen 1 and Gen 2 devices, offering you great flexibility. It removes facial hair smoothly and discreetly, just like the original. If you have both generations of the Flawless device, or if you're looking for a versatile option, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They fit perfectly and work great. The replacement heads are exactly what I needed. They work great and are easy to install. Number 4. Flawless Facial Hair Remover Replacement Heads. These replacement heads are designed for the Flawless Facial Hair Remover. They ensure a smooth and effective hair removal experience, just like the original. Featuring a double 3D floating net design, this product provides a closer and more comfortable shave. It is suitable for various facial areas, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. This product gently removes facial hair without causing irritation or bumps. It protects your skin, leaving it smooth and healthy. These replacement heads are specifically designed for the Generation 2 Flawless Facial Hair Remover. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace the heads every 3 to 6 months. The 18K gold-plated heads are hypoallergenic, making them gentle on your skin. It removes hair without direct blade contact, ensuring a painless experience. Each package includes 6 replacement heads and a cleaning brush. This ensures your Flawless Facial Hair Remover operates at its best, providing consistent results. What we like. This product features a double halo design and 18K gold-plated heads for a smoother, more comfortable shave. The hypoallergenic design is gentle on the skin, preventing irritation. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for a premium, skin-friendly experience, then this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. These blade heads work with Generation 2 Flawless Beauty Facial Hair Remover. Less expensive than others, yet work well. Work well. Number 3. Flawless Gen 2 Replacement Heads, 6 count. Are you looking for replacement heads for your Flawless Gen 2 facial hair remover? These are designed specifically for the Gen 2 model. Make sure to check your model before purchasing, as they are not compatible with other versions. These replacement heads feature an 18K gold-plated surface and a built-in stainless steel blade. They are designed to remove facial hair quickly and painlessly, without causing irritation or infection. This makes the process much easier. The design ensures complete coverage, just like the original heads. This allows it to reach every area of your face, leaving your skin feeling smooth and flawless. You will not miss any spots. Each package includes 6 double-ring replacement heads and a cleaning brush. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace the head every 3 months. This will help maintain the device's effectiveness. Replacing the head is simple. Just twist off the old one and screw on the new one. There's no need to worry about complicated procedures, it's a quick and easy process. You can do it yourself. What we like. This replacement head offers 360-degree coverage for a smooth finish, just like the original. The 18K gold-plated surface ensures a gentle and effective hair removal experience. If you are looking for a simple and effective solution for flawless results, you should consider this. What people say. They completely renewed our devices better than new. They glide smoothly and don't nick the corners of your mouth or anything. Lo cuide en perfecto a mi aparato de tu generación, deplan muy bien. Number 2. Gurelax replacement heads for finishing touch Gen 2. These replacement heads are designed specifically for the finishing touch flawless Gen 2 hair remover. They are made by a professional blades manufacturer. You can be assured of their quality and compatibility. The 18K gold-plated heads provide a smooth and gentle hair removal experience. The gold plating is stable, safe, and suitable for sensitive skin. This design ensures a painless and irritation-free experience. These replacement heads offer the same quality as the original, providing a smooth finish. They are perfect for removing unwanted hair on the lip, chin, cheeks, and sideburns. It is suitable for all skin types. The replacement heads are small and portable, just like the original. Replacing the head is easy. The included storage bag protects the heads and allows you to carry your hair remover. This pack includes 6 replacement heads and a cleaning brush. This provides a long-lasting, high-quality shaving experience. For optimal performance, it is recommended to replace the heads every 3 to 6 months. What we like. This replacement head features 18K gold plating and a 360 degrees no-dead angle design for a smooth and painless experience. It also comes with a convenient storage bag. If you value a complete package that includes both performance and convenience, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The replacement heads fit perfectly. They work great and are exactly what I needed. These are the perfect replacement heads. Number 1. Finishing Touch Flawless Gen 2 Replacement Heads. These replacement heads are specifically designed for the Finishing Touch Flawless Generation 2 hair remover. Please note that it is not compatible with Gen 1. Make sure it fits your model. Each order comes with replacement heads and a bonus cleansing brush. This complete care package ensures you have everything you need for smooth and clean hair removal. Achieve smooth facial hair removal with these discreet and efficient heads. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing them every 2 to 5 months to maintain the best results. The blade avoids direct skin contact, ensuring a gentle, irritation-free experience. You can say goodbye to nicks, cuts, and redness. It is suitable for all skin types. These heads are washable and easy to replace. Simply change the heads effortlessly and use the provided brush for convenient cleaning of the epilator. It's hassle-free. What we like. This product is specifically designed for the Finishing Touch Flawless Generation 2. It provides a gentle, irritation-free experience. If you are looking for a replacement head that is easy to maintain and offers a painless experience, then this is the one for you. What people say. These replacement heads fit my flawless perfectly and shave really well. These are amazing, and saves $1 from having to buy a new device when the blades stop working good. These fit and work perfectly. As described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.